Hey everyone, are you ready to say goodbye to that exhausting 9 to 5 routine and start living on your own terms? I thought so. Let me introduce you to something that's a game changer, the digital growth community. It's not just any community, it's a gold mine for anyone eager to earn a full-time income right from the comfort of their home. Imagine this, earning daily paychecks by simply leveraging the power of the internet. Sounds good, right? Well, it's totally possible. With our unique Legacy Builders program, you're not just learning random tips and tricks, you're getting a concrete, step-by-step blueprint that has already transformed the lives of many. Here's how it works. First, you purchase our digital program. It's packed with all the insights and tools you need to kickstart your journey. Next, you launch your business. How? By getting your ads up on high-traffic websites where they get tons of visibility. And the final piece of the puzzle, creating engaging content for social media. This isn't just about posting occasionally, it's about connecting and growing your audience actively, which turns into passive income through our automated systems. Now let's talk about your new lifestyle. Forget about those long commutes or missing out on family time. With just a 2-hour workday, you can manage your business from anywhere, even right from your phone. More time for your hobbies, your family, and most importantly, for yourself. And here's the best part. You don't have to figure everything out on your own. By joining our exclusive community, you'll have access to support, advice, and real-world strategies from others who are also building their wealth from home. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Then don't wait. Head over to and join the digital growth community today. It's time to make the change you deserve and start building your wealth. See you on the inside.